how to complete activities during your shift. In this video, we'll show you how to complete the different activities you may be assigned during your shift using the mobohubb app without using the schedule feature. On the home screen, you may notice a list of your most recent activities. This gives you a quick overview of the tasks, forms, and scans you've recently completed. Let's start with a scan. Open the bottom menu and tap the Scans icon. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code or interact with the NFC tag. Once the checkpoint appears on the screen, tap the green paper airplane icon to confirm the scan. You'll see the checkpoint name, and a confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen indicating that the scan was completed successfully. Next, let's complete a form. Return to the bottom menu and tap the Forms icon. Here you'll find all of the forms available to you. Select the form you need to complete. In this example, we'll enter the officer's name and provide a signature. Notice that this form doesn't require any photos or videos. If media were required, those icons would be highlighted in red and would need to be completed before submitting the form. Once you've finished, tap the green paper airplane icon to submit it. You'll receive a confirmation message letting you know the form was submitted successfully. Finally, let's complete a task. Open the Tasks section from the bottom menu. You'll see a list of your assigned tasks. To mark a task as complete, simply slide it to the right and tap the green check mark. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the task has been completed successfully.